What up, GioVentures? Today we're here at the Walmart by my house because my dad said they have really cool toys. Let's go and check them out.
GioVentures.
Magic. Guess what they have at Walmart? Modarri Cars. Okay, so I already have this one at my house. And this one. Whoa. Well, I don't have this one. This one says speed. Whoa. This one says storm. Whoa. This one says fire. That is so cool. Hey Dad, can we take these?
Sure, let's take them.
Yay! Hey guys, so I got these new cars from Walmart, and the other part was not like just now. That was a few weeks ago, and now that the coronavirus is here, we were like, why not we just record the other part? So first let me show you my room, then let's unbox these babies. Woo! So we enter into my room and my collection. So here's my collection. You might have seen the video where I show my Modarri cars. And then remember this video with the monster trucks? That one was pretty cool too. If you didn't see it yet, you should see it. They're very cool too. So yeah, let's start unboxing these babies. Woo. First up, we're gonna open Tiger Speed. So this is the top piece. Now they make it out of plastic. And also, this is also from 2020. But in 2019 and 2018, these used to be metal. Ow, that hurts. Because it's metal, obviously. So this is what the Tiger Speed looks like. These are all the pieces that it comes with. Let's get building. Okay guys, so this is what Tiger Speed looks like, also known as 26, when it's built. You can build it 3 more ways. It's your choice. I built it like this for now. It's pretty cool, huh? So let's move on to the next one, also known as let's roll on to the next one. Get it? Rolling? Now let's move on to Nitro Storm. These are what it comes with. Let's start building. Let's put all green. That's my favorite color. I don't know if you knew that. So that's why I'm putting it. And then still. So yeah. That's cool. So guys, this is Nitro Storm. Here is, let's see here, Hercules Fire. Interesting. Okay, this is what it comes with. Yeah. So this is Hercules Fire, also known as number 6. So let's start building. Let's go fire style, since it's Hercules Fire. This is like ice. There we go. And actually, you can do that because it can be a blue Hercules fire, also known as number 6, or a red one, or both. You can mix and match. So this is Hercules fire. So guys, this is Tiger Speed, this is Nitro Storm, and this is Hercules fire. This one is also known as 26, this one is also known as 80, and this one is also known as number 6. Okay guys, this is my room. Let me show you a little bit around my room. So guys, I have these really comfy bean bags that you can sit in, so that if you like reading a book or if you're like playing on the ground, you can sit down in one of these. Also, here's my Grave Digger Monster Jam cutout. So yeah, and here's a lamp here. Here's like where I keep all my pictures. That's when I was smaller. This is where I keep my TV. This is where I keep all my stuff that I can change, and also here is my very comfy bed. We decorated like Monster Jam, and those trucks are up there are signed by Monster Jam drivers. So, and here is my Hot Wheel track. Here's the Ultimate Garage, and here's the Super Ultimate Garage. This one can hold up to 140, and this one up to 50. Sure, right? Yeah, it looks like it's 50. Okay guys, so since the coronavirus is now spreading everywhere, my teacher, well, the principal told us that we have to do it at home. So we set up a computer so that I can do my work. And this is what I have also for school. This is where I leave all my schoolwork. And also here is the Lego set that I've been building for a few days ago. So yeah. This is like my favorite one because this is huge. This is the Hogwarts train. So, and also here I have my posters so that I can check off which ones I already have. So, this is the one that I really want because it's a ride truck. I love ride trucks, even that I didn't go on one. That's sad. So, I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe, share this video with everybody. Please stay safe. Love you guys. Keep subscribing to all my videos, and see you in the next video. Peace out.